It's pretty good, except for the fact that this map is atrocious. People jump at the very start. Like, what does that accomplish? Well, you're dumb. Oh no, 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 oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Take my spot. That didn't work. Let me craft. Ah! It's over. I have the high ground. It's over, Anakin. That's crazy. Oh, get juked! I missed. There we go. Very loud. Ah! No, 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 no. No, don't you. Don't, okay. I'm so good at this game. I don't know what to tell you. It was a long endeavor, but I made it back to the top, and yeah, get this. The blaze is still on me. For that guy. I'll go for that guy first. Ow.
I have bad stuff. This guy, there's. I don't want to get.
Brother, I don't have any food. Just fall off, please die. Yeah! Yes! Help, 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 help.
Oh my god, diamond luck.
No, 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 bro. No, oh, go away. Go.
I'm actually so
Get.
Why are you standing on a campfire?
Uh,
That tunnel. It's someone wearing tunnels here.
There's 3 people chasing me. Help.
Can't really do
Go away.
it. What is that sound?
Go away. Ah! Hey, look at me being smart and turning it into planks, unlike all of these other idiots playing this game. Oh. Piss off.
Is that the first thing that I put with this? I got a water bucket from a minute.
That's actually pretty crazy. Not really sure.
I forgot to include my audio.
What?
Don't worry, it is included now.
Yeah. Should I pearl? I'm thinking about pearling. Oh, bro's got
Pancake also confirmed that he speed hacks and he has an auto clicker.
Okay, the only reason he says I have speed hacks is because I literally popped a speed pot, so he can shut up. Oh, I could make an Eye of Ender. I could go to the end.
Oh my god, you can go to the end?
I could. No! Ah!
There's no way you're alive! There's no way you survived that pearl. There's no way you survived that pearl.
There was an Enderite literally spawned and it almost messed me up. Oh yeah, now I got a cobweb. Huh, convenient timing, isn't it, game? You fell? Oh, here's a cobweb for the next time you fall. Like, I could have used that like 15 seconds ago.
You right now. He's watching you, water elevator.
I'm gonna go for something kind of crazy. Oh, he's got a sword! Okay.
Pancake, he has a sword.
Okay, wait, I have an idea.
He has a good idea and awesome, brilliant plan. But then when I don't have
bro is
one.
gonna pearl.
Why would you get off the wandering trader? Oh my god, you're freaking stupid.
You're cool, you can do it. Oh, they're jumping, you have to.
No! It was worth a try,
It could be possible.
God damn it, freaking piece of crap, stupid dumb. I mean, I didn't mean that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry you had to hear me swear. Oh, nuts, crappers.
Oh no! Oh, this person died. Oh, well, they have a clutch item, but.
Aw, dude, what? How'd they die? Oh my god. Wait! Oh!
Wait, what?
my
How?
God.
What? How
Oh
are you
my God.
alive?
Oh my god!
How are you alive?
No way! Oh my god!
What? How?
way.
How? Actually, how? Actually, how? I just hate you off.
The people, you know, the people that were on the side of my tower died when I'm out of water bucket.
Oh. What, did you like catch it in midair or something, or like?
I caught it midair.
Shut up. Shut up.
I didn't do anything.
Bro actually thought he did something.
And the warden's trying to be freaking piece of crap and a stupid head.
Okay.
Oh. I thought that was you, not gonna lie. Oh, it was. Wait, but it wasn't.
No.
Win by kills. Suck it.
I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Oh. Wait, how'd you get up here as fast as me? I was going faster.
I have a water bucket, silly numbnut.
So did I. Numbnut. Wait. No, I don't have...
Die!
This game sucks.
Yes! That's enough to set me up for success, right? It's gotta be.
No way. Give me a win.
Come on. How?
Let's go!
How? No, let me count them. Let me count them. I don't believe this. I don't believe it.
I'm just better.
Let's see.
Better.
Now let's see
better.
it. Now
Better.
let's see it.
Better.
Let's see it.
Better.
Okay.
Better.
Flexin' Tomcat couldn't fly while escaping pancake. Couldn't fly while escaping pancake. Pancake.
Better.
Pancake.
Better.
You didn't get
Better.
one. You didn't get
Better.
one kill. You didn't
I'm
get
just better.
one kill.
I'm just better.
You just no. Oh,
I'm
you
gonna get
better?
hit off first, or not.
Yeah, you are. No.
Fuck!
Okay, here we go.
You're gonna block off.
Are they? Aw. That's not very nice. I really thought I did something there.
On egg.
Wow, you really thought you did something.
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I thought you actually died.
I don't know what they were doing there, but...
That person's right there, and then the other person, this guy basically.
Oop, and boom.
Gonna hit you off as soon as you go.
No, they're not. They don't know how to play the game.
That person is.
Oh. Well, now we have a problem. Now there's a problem. There you go. That's better.
That's a lot better.
That's
GG's!
that was a little stressful.
I'll be surprised.
Ah! No! No!
In time. Wait.
Actually, it's 2:30.
Oh my god!
You're
Oh my
alive?
god.
What did you have?
Oh my god.
What did you? No.
I had a honey block. I had a honey block. Oh my god.
Okay,
I
okay.
thought
somebody's
I
coming with an
caught that
axe.
person.
Somebody's got an axe. You're being chased. Somebody has an axe. Oh, okay. Well.
Suck it!
No! Spleef! Spleef! Get wrecked! Sorry, I got there.
God,
No.
I hate Vex.
Good.
I hope Vexes.
Well,
I hope they
I hate Vexus.
misplace their swords, and I hope they die, dude. I mean,
Oh, I just wishing I would.
I'm dead.
I killed somebody.
Fucking son of a bitch.
Oh, at the bottom. Go off the map! Get off the map! Get off! Okay. How did they not die? Well, somebody's gonna die. No, there's a better way about this. Oh. Oy! Oh, yay!
Have to win.
Oh, okay, cool. Let's just...
They're above the. I was
Yeah.
about to. Oh wait, no, that was you. That was above it.
Yeah.
My bad, bro.
No,
My
it's
bad,
just,
bro.
no, I won. It's cool.
Mushroom. I mean, rabbits do. That I can tell my shapes.
Bro, you're just gonna die if you keep trying it. Okay, never mind. Ugh!
It's okay, guys. Don't worry.
Oh, I'll be fine. Don't worry.
Why the fuck do people always go for me? I have no idea. Are you good?
There's so many vexes! There's so many vexes! There's so many vexes!
I think he's okay, chat.
I don't know what to do. I'm not gonna live. No! Use a weapon!
Chad, he's okay.
I don't know how survival is gonna happen. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Lord have mercy on my soul.
I don't know what to do.
No! Is if I use my thumb for the A button and then well, you know, they had an elytra too, so I just like can't even feel bad for them at this point. Holy, okay. I'm just gonna hide. I'm just gonna hide.
It's fun when people get both an Ender Dragon and a Wither at the same time. I love this game, bro. So much.
The Warden wasn't part of the mix.
I don't care if it was or not.
Yeah, my bad. I'm sorry. Ah! No! Okay, cool. I need a clutch item. I need
totally
a clutch.
didn't get.
I need a. Give me.
Oh god. Oh! Thought I fell. Die!
I'm so scared. I am so scared. I'm chilling here. I'm just gonna chill here.
It's just not gonna happen. It's not gonna freaking happen.
I need a better clutch item than a lava bucket. Oh hey, they're at it. So I'll take it.
A lot. You can clutch with the lava bucket. I've done it before. I
know
actually
you,
survived with the lava bucket completely.
I know you can. It's just hard.
I've done it before. I've literally done it before in one of my clips that I uploaded to my Xbox.
No, I know you can.
You can literally check out my profile right now.
Link totally in description.
Shameless plug. Should you go for it? Yeah, he's the only one left. Or they're the only one left. I don't give
The hell with it. It didn't.
Wall pig. Be afraid of my stone brick wall.
It didn't work. Dang it. No!
Die!
No, it's fine.
Bye bye. Ow.
Please. It doesn't spleef them. This person's gonna die.
You're just messing all the way up. Messing up every. No! Like what? Diamond hoe. I've never been so happy to see a diamond hoe in my life.
Trident?
Stop!
He wants to attack pancake. Diamond Lord!
For this time, at least.
Bro, you spawned. This guy spawned. Ow. I'm really scared. There are bad.
I'm gonna die. Yeah, I don't have any clutch items, so.
They're pixies. They're pixies. There's a pixie. There's a pixie. Please. Okay. Oh. I have an idea.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh,
they're gonna target me.
Did I kill them all? Are they? Okay, I killed most of them.
Don't have any clutch items.
Okay, bro. Why did bro think jumping towards me whilst I was spam clicking was gonna do something? I'm gonna die. I'm on half a heart. Yeah. Just don't stop moving. Just jump across.
Oh my god!
Hit him off.
Scared, dude. Leave me alone.
For sure. Oh,
wow, that did a lot.
Watch out!
No! Oh my god. Okay. Pig. How many more food? Wait! Fuck!
Where am I looking? Oh. Wait, what?
Mushroom dropped food.
Oh. Clutch with it.
Be free, Jeffrey!
Huh.
Clicked once, you idiot.
Oh,
no.
no. You're fine. Okay.
My god.
Surely you have.
I should win by kills anyways.
Maybe.
Surely.
Oh.
What? This guy's so
I missed!
Why are people so... That... What? That's stupid. That's stupid. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. That's so stupid.
Care to share? Oh, hey, a helmet.
Dude, he spawned a polar bear on me, and the polar bear aggroed me.
Oh. Oh!
No, no,
Oh!
that's fucking stupid. That's fucking
Get played!
stupid as
Get
shit.
played! Oh, die! Die! No way! No way! I just wrecked him like that! Oh, no.
Targeted, just like right now.
Okay.
If they kill me, I'm gonna be even more pissed off. I accidentally placed the lantern. Well, I'm dead. It's been a good pancake. It's been good. Oh, yep, it's been good pancake. It's been a good run, pancake, but I think I'm gonna die here. Yep, it's been a good run, pancake. Stupid people. So maybe I can win this. Everyone's in here is a fuck. How'd you get an Elytra already? Really don't. I don't have any clutch item. That's Towery.
Brother.
Why am I the one to get over her? There's someone at the bottom, by the way. Oh, never mind. There's not anymore. Can I just, like, stop getting rushed by people that get boss spawn eggs?
Idiot.
I would love that.
Oh, everybody's coming for me. Okay, cool. I have a ward and I'll use it. Wait, I have an idea.
An awesome, brilliant plan.
Spleef? Aw. Spleef?
I don't think they would be that stupid.
Well, some people in this game are.
Don't break that melon. You're gonna give them free.
Like that.
You literally just ignored what I said.
I didn't break the melon.
They just comedically look up at you with the stone sword. I mean, you have a stone pickaxe. Pancake diamond luck again? I saw that diamond block. Pancake, I saw that diamond block.
You did. Yeah, I'm out. I'll see you guys later.
Jibby. Thought you were gonna die.
I had a bed. I would have been fine. Even if I didn't.
Eric quit. Oh. Wow. To the surprise of nobody, Pancake won again.
Yay! And it just had
last
to be
game on the worst map in the game.
Yeah, exactly. I was gonna say it had to be on short map. Oh, and that person just died. And that person. Bum bum ba-da. Oh. Well.
I have.
Get egged.
What the f is that?
Get netherited.
What the hell was that? Does someone have an end crystal or something? I don't know how I survived that.
How can I not reach you?
Maybe my luck is actually turned. Stupid, put that in. Glass panes me, bro. Stuck at 4.5 hearts until I get through. Feeling froggy? Leap.
Oh.
Come on, if you're feeling froggy, leap. Okay.
Okay, well, that's it. Yeah, no, that's the game. Okay. Yeah.
This game sucks. This game's absolute trash.